Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Asana dashboards for project portfolio visibility. Complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Asana account. Navigate to your project portfolio you want to visualize. Click on the Dashboards tab located at the top of the project page. Select Create Dashboard to start a new dashboard. Choose a name for your dashboard that reflects its purpose. Decide on the layout of your dashboard by selecting from available templates. Drag and drop widgets to customize your layout. For project visibility, start with the Progress widget. Add the Task Completion widget to track project milestones. Include the Timeline widget to visualize project schedules. Next, add the Workload widget to see team capacity. Customize each widget by selecting the specific projects you wish to include. Adjust the date range for your dashboard to filter relevant projects. Utilize the team filter to focus on the work of specific team members. Incorporate the custom field widget to reflect metrics that matter to your organization. Click on the settings icon to further refine your dashboard settings. Test your dashboard by adding sample data and checking widget functionality. Make adjustments to ensure clarity and ease of understanding. Save your changes to finalize your dashboard setup. Share your new dashboard with team members to enhance collaboration. Regularly review and update your dashboard for ongoing project visibility. Utilize the feedback from your team to make improvements. Keep your dashboard aligned with overall project goals and objectives. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.